Schmidt, you have something on your pants.
Why did you do that? You know how he gets? He turns into a cartoon elephant of yesteryear. Just so
We should defend it in present day because it seems like a gay stereotype they try to sneak by us.